Hey tech enthusiasts, ever wondered why your Wi-Fi is crawling at a snail's pace? Here are some reasons why your Wi-Fi might be slow and how you can speed it up. First up, router position. If your router is shoved in a corner or hidden behind furniture, you're asking for trouble. Ideally, place it in the center of your house for the best coverage. If that's not possible, make sure it's on a table or shelf, not the floor. Next, let's talk about Wi-Fi bands. Most modern routers have two bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. The 5 GHz band is faster, but has a shorter range. If you're far from the router, switch to the 2.4 GHz band for better coverage. Another culprit could be apps hogging your bandwidth. If your Wi-Fi slows down when everyone's online, it's probably overloaded. Try reducing the number of connected devices or upgrade your internet plan for higher speeds. Sometimes the problem isn't your internet plan, but your router. If you've got a shiny new high-speed plan but an ancient router, it's time for an upgrade. Routers over 5 years old might not handle higher speeds or multiple devices well. Lastly, signal interference is a biggie. If you live in a densely populated area, your Wi-Fi might be clashing with your neighbors. Most Wi-Fi networks operate on the same channels, causing slowdowns. Switching to a less congested channel can make a world of difference. So there you have it. Some quick tips to boost your Wi-Fi speed and enjoy a seamless internet experience. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.